Good morning. Once again, on the engine, on the STI, the 2.5. Well, I tore apart the engine already. I just kind of put it together like that. But look at this, how much metal is in this oil pan. All that is debris for something is falling apart. All that's metal. So I went through the block, and there is engraving from the company, I believe, who rebuilt the engine, but I don't think they did it right. Inside the pickup tube right there is a big piece of metal right there. So for you guys gonna experience the first time doing these kind of engines, I'm going to disassemble again this engine. I should have left that just the cylinder head, huh? Okay. This engine is not good anymore. I'm gonna explain you why. For what I found, not just on the block and everything else. So on the camshaft, I can see there's scratches already. I can feel it with my nail, my fingernail, right here. And this oil, it does not look good. It does not look like regular oil. Well, apparently this motor is being burning oil. So let's see. Okay, there's one bolt. It's holding the cylinder head. But let's see. There's a lot of scratches where the camshaft sits. There's a lot of marks. This one is not bad, but on the other side, there's a big scratches, and that's not just that. On this one, it was burning coolant already. Let me see. On this block, on the cylinders, is scratching already. So this block, it cannot be reused anymore. I think it's probably the other side. I found big scratches on the wall. See, as you guys can see, there is one piston ring or one of those oil, what are they called? Oil below the piston rings, right here. There is scratches right there. Sometimes I get nervous and I forgot how to speak. Especially when I'm doing videos. Okay. Oh, once again, same thing. Oh, shoot. Okay. Of course, I don't have a GoPro or those fancy cameras. So I can just have my hands free, like a lot of people, but I'm just by myself. And as you guys can see, I have all these cars to repair. That's a clutch job. On the gray one, the customer decides to put a new engine because due to the miles. It's 200, almost 80,000 miles. So I'm just gonna put a fresh engine. And of course, these camshafts are not good anymore because due to the damage. See right here, there's scratches, big scratches. On this, it cannot be machined because all this is according to the specifications, and I don't think they have a camshaft. I think it's part of the cylinder head. Yeah, this is silicone. Yeah. So 2 bolts. This vehicle, or this car, or this engine, I should have said, it was burning oil. Okay. Let's see, what is the ratchet? Look at that right there on the cylinder wall. This guy's caffeine, scratches. Well, now I'm going to put it upside down. I have to clean inside on the cylinder wall, so you guys can see the scratches and all that, because it looks like one piston ring. It was just scratching the walls bad. See right here, I can feel it with my nail. On the beginning, I mentioned to the customers, hey, it sounds like you gotta connecting rod bearings, connecting bearings. So let me see if I can do it fast. Right there. This watch is not helping. Let me grab a different one. And back. Let's see. On this one, I push the piston to the top. So right here is on the top, and I push it down. Hopefully you guys can hear it. See? And I push it down. Look how much it travels. Let's see. I'm gonna put it top this in, and I'll kind of say. Piston up, I'm gonna push it. Well, it went up. Okay. See right there. I'm gonna push it down. So something in there is definitely bad. Okay, all the way up. I'm gonna push it down. Oh, okay. Now it's gotta go the other way. That's it. So, all this is gotta be taken apart, but like I said, you know, I'm not recommending using this block because due to the damage already. And yeah, I mentioned to you guys, I'm gonna show the name of the company who did this engine or whatever they did. It's right here. So it says Millennium Auto. I don't think they did it right because this block has a lot of issues. I don't know when they replace it. The car has low miles, but it does not look good inside. It was burning coolant. The piston rings they were scratching the walls. Yeah. And the connector rod bearings are not good. And this is the one that was burning coolant. All that is rust. There is a scratch on the wall right next to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. Right there. All those scratches, they're not good. It's like the piston rings that were not sealing. Yeah, those marks, those lines, they were stopping my fingernail yesterday. Yep. So I don't know how much damage is going to be there because all these solenoids The canchas, they suffer some damage due to the lack of lubrication and the metal contamination. And it has to be washed completely. Be very thorough. I can't say that. But the pump, the oil pump, has got to be taken apart. Oil cooler, it's got to be removed and clean up. All this has got to be cleaned up. It's gonna be big bucks. He already knows, but I'm probably gonna get it from the dealer, the short block, and maybe get a quote, or maybe I can find some cylinder heads and put it together, and maybe the customer can save some bucks. But if you guys see this guy on the market, just be careful. I didn't buy this engine, so I'm just saying, you know, stay away. Okay, good luck, guys. I hope this little video, or long video, helps you guys determine to pinpoint the noise. And when I drove this car from right where is my element to here, I can hear it. So I know there was either the main bearings or connected rod bearings. But right there is once again the noise, you know. And the noise is inside in the block. So, all right, I'll see you guys later. Have fun with the cars.